In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to maximize audio quality when streaming in OBS Studio Windows. Let's get you clean, consistent, and professional sounding audio. Start by opening OBS Studio. We'll begin with the global audio settings so the foundation is solid. Click Settings, then go to the Audio tab. Here, set your sample rate to 48 kHz and your channels to stereo. 48 kHz is the standard for most streaming platforms and avoids unnecessary resampling, and stereo ensures your stream preserves any left-right space in your audio. If your microphone is mono, OBS will center it automatically. Next, in the main window, look at the audio mixer. Right-click your microphone source and choose Filters. Filters let you shape your sound before it ever reaches your audience. Add a noise suppression filter first. Choose RN noise for the best overall quality. It does a strong job reducing room noise and keyboard chatter while keeping your voice natural. If your system is older or you only need to tame a light hiss, Speaks is a lighter option. Pick the one that gives you the cleanest sound without making your voice sound underwater. Now add a compressor. This keeps your volume consistent, so soft moments are audible and loud bursts don't shock listeners. Set the ratio to 4:1, the threshold to around 18 dB, and add plus 2 dB of output gain to bring your overall level back up after compression. These values are a great starting point for most microphones. Speak at your normal volume and make sure your voice sounds even and controlled. Add a limiter and set it to a 1 dB. The limiter is your safety net. It prevents clipping during sudden shouts or laughter. Place it after your other filters so nothing can exceed that ceiling. Head back to Settings and open the Output tab. Switch output mode to Advanced if needed, then set the audio bitrate for your tracks to 320 kbps. This gives you maximum streaming quality and preserves clarity, especially in voices and music. While you talk at a normal and slightly louder than normal volume, watch the mic meter in OBS. Aim for peaks in the yellow zone roughly between 15 dB and 10 dB. If you're too low, raise the mic level or add a touch more makeup gain in the compressor. If you're hitting red, lower the level. Finally, in your Windows sound settings, match your microphone format to 24-bit to avoid conflicts and digital artifacts. Keeping your Windows device format and OBS settings aligned helps ensure clean, stable audio from input to stream. Follow these steps, and your stream audio will sound polished, consistent, and ready for prime time.